Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. Welcome to this video today. We're going to be having a look at this Anker SnapCharge Flow 633 magnetic wireless charger. We're not going to be doing a full review of this because we've already done a review of this for this in blue, which if we look over here is the one which we filmed before. So we've already done a review of that unit. But what we're going to do is just show you a side-by-side comparison of this in the white finish. What we're also going to show, because we have had a question from one of our viewers to ask, with the portable battery, can you also charge it? But just in a nutshell, what this product does, and if you just have a look at this unit over here, is that you just literally put your phone on and it will magnetically attach. It will start charging it up. And if you slide this up, you've got the battery pack on the back, and you can just detach the battery pack or put it on. So what this is doing is replacing this. So this is the Apple charger that you can purchase, and I would say I would save your money and go with the Anker product. Much better, and if you can usually get this on sale at about £60, and I would say this is a much better value. Not only have you got the sort of portable battery charger there where you can stick it on, but also what you can actually do is just use it as a normal charger as well, like that. So if you don't want to have the battery to go with you, you can just pull it off. As I say, have a look at our other video and you'll find more details about that. The one other quick thing I'll mention just before we do a sort of side-by-side comparison, and also just deal with the query about charging this that we've had from one of our viewers, is just mention, and we did say this on the review but we didn't show it, is you can, if you've got the Apple AirPods, just put them on and they'll charge underneath as well. You'll see the green light and they'll charge like that. So you've got a 2-in-1 here. You've got a charger for your iPhone, you've got a charger for your AirPods, and this has got a much bigger battery capacity than this product. So this is now gonna, this is fully redundant for me now. I don't use it. I've always been a bit disappointed about its charging capabilities. But the key advantage of this product over this, in addition to everything else, is also the fact that you can use this for charging other devices as well. So when you pull it out, it has a USB-C slot there. So with this, what you will find is that you can take a USB-C cable, put it into there, and either charge this unit up. So this was the query we had from one of our viewers. They said, okay, rather than going around and taking this unit, if I want to, because when this is actually put into the unit itself, that will charge up the battery. So when you've got it in the unit itself, as you can see on the side, it will charge up the battery. But one of our viewers said, okay, well, what about if I'm out and about or going somewhere and I don't want to carry this whole unit to charge up this battery? Can I charge it up? And that's where this USB-C slot comes in, because you've got two options with this. One, you can use that to charge up the battery itself. So you put it in, and as you can see, it's charging up the battery there. The other thing you can do is so you're using that as an input and you're charging the battery there. The other thing that you can do is use it as an output. So here I've got a USB-C cable, so plugging that in. And what you can do is plug that into your iPhone, and as you can see there, it's charging it up, as you can see there. So you can use it to charge up, and as long as you've got a USB-C cable, you can use this to charge up whatever you want. Another query that we've had is if you have got this on the back of the iPhone. So I'm going to put this on the back of the iPhone. You can see it's 98% there. When I plug it on like that as a charger, you can see that it is charging the unit. One of the queries we had was, while you've got that on, can you also charge another device using that? And the answer to that is no, because as soon as you plug in the USB-C cable, you will see that the charging has gone off. So you can only use this either as a wireless charger with this removed, so it's charging that up, and you will see on that once I remove that and put it back on there, it should come up shortly in a second. Let's just press the button on the bottom to get it into charging mode again. There we go. And just so you can see what I did, there's the button there, and that's what it does there. So it's one or the other. So now what I'm going to do is just show you the side to side color differential between the blue and the white, and then you can just have that comparison in case you decide that you want to go with one of these units. It also comes in black, but I've got the two, the white and the blue. As I say, look, if you just look on the back of here, the blue goes quite well with this iPhone, and as you can see, comparable size wise, it's not that much bigger, it's not that much thicker. As I say, there's a more detailed review, so please feel free to have a look at our other video. I will just unbox this now and then join you shortly. So we've just unpacked this. So this is the white, and as you can see, it's a white base, but it's a sort of a grey colour. But this is the sort of inside part of the actual battery pack. If I take this out, you can see on the back there that it is actually white. So when you attach it to a phone, it will be like that. So if you look at the normal Apple one, that again on the inside is grey. So if I just put them side to side, you can see it's sort of a grey colour. That's what this is. You flip them over, and as you can see, it's probably a slight sort of darker shade, but it's not far off. So as you can see, looks fine even in that colour on the back of your phone. I've obviously went with the blue one, so that one, that's how that looks with that. Now if you look at the base again on here, so what we've got there, again we've got the sort of grey base there where you can put your AirPods. If I just turn these sideways and then to the back, there we go. So you can see it's sort of white on the back. This is all blue, obviously. This has got the white ring around it, and then the grey area. So the only time you're going to sort of you're going to be obviously seeing that grey area, and then this bit when you've got your phone on it, then that's going to attach magnetically. You're not going to see it, and as I say, when you remove it out, you've just got it on the back of your phone. Now, one of the things I should point out is that with the Apple MagSafe battery, some people have said, look, when you attach that as a battery onto the iPhone, what you get is you get the battery charge. So this is showing that MagSafe has got 99% charge on it. When you attach the Anker ones, they don't give you a battery reading in terms of what actually is the charge status, but you can figure that out very quickly by, if I just remove this off the iPhone, by pressing this button, and then it tells you that's fully charged at the moment. So, and if I just take this one out, which is straight out the box, let's see what that charge is. So I'm pressing that, and that one, as you can see, is about half charged at the moment, about 50%. So you just press that once, and then that's giving you the reading there. Again on this one, pressing that, that's giving me the charge there. With the MagSafe, I don't know what the charge is because it hasn't got anything on it without attaching it on my iPhone. So I actually prefer the fact that it'd be great if these could give you the reading on the iPhone as well, but you know, at least I know if I've got that, I don't have to attach it to my phone to see, is it half charged, is it fully charged. Also with this one, it is just the lightning port that would go into this to charge this up, while with these we've mentioned it's got the USB-C. So I've had this blue product now for about a month. I've been using it quite regularly, and in a month I've had more use of this than I've had with this over the past year or so since I actually purchased this. So this is an absolutely brilliant product. Really good value, and the fact that it can sort of double it up as the stand as well, it is really good. And as we showed in the other video, you can sort of rotate it as well for different views. So really good product, really highly recommended. That is the Anker product there, the battery stand with the charger. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.